There's something hard in here.
Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. What is it?
Joey, calm down, sweetie.
What is it?
What is that? Do the
right thing?
I don't know what that means.
That was just... How did you even know that was in there?
It was hard. Honey, where did you find this again?
What is it? You just found it in the woods?
Is that recess?
There's a tag on it.
I can't believe Miss Donna let him take this. Sweetie, stop crying. Oh my gosh.
It's drugs? What are you gonna do?
You think so?
Hiding drugs in a child's toy?
At elementary school? At recess?
Oh, it does look like drugs.
There's no way. How do you get this open now? Maybe like a teacher? I can't.
It definitely... It even kind of smells like that. Should we just turn it in to the cops?
My handprints are all over it. What do you mean?
That's a good point. Let's see it. God, I can't even focus on it. What is it? I don't know.
Okay, hold up. I don't... It said do the right thing, though. There's no way that it's drugs.
What do you think it means by do the right thing?
If it's I'd take it to the cops? What's with the teddy bear?
Maybe that's how they smuggle it.
Through children?
Yeah, child smuggling.
There's nothing else in there.
You ever seen Taken? Same
That's
thing.
not a child, is it?
All right, what is it?
It's
What is
another
that?
tape? Joey! It's okay. I'll get you a new teddy bear.
He's fine.
He's
fine. Just let's see
freaking
what it
out.
is.
I can't. Oh, gosh. What if it is? Do we take
I
it
have
to
no
the
idea what it
cops?
is.
We should have just threw it in the trash. My heart's racing. And I'm sweating.
What are you gonna do? Drugs. I see
It's in a
some ink.
baggie.
All right, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
What do you mean don't?
How are you gonna prove it's not
Honey.
yours?
I mean, I have this bear
Yeah.
with its heart
Yeah,
ripped
but
out.
how are you gonna prove that it's not your drugs?
My fingerprints are all over it. I mean, there's nothing we can do at this point. I don't know. Do we just take it to the cops now?
Just open
It's
it.
still taped up.
Just open it.
It's a baggie. That's all right. Wait a second. You seeing this? You seeing what I'm
can't
seeing?
tell what it is. Tell me.
You seeing this?
It's cash.
Hold up. It's like a rod. Do the right thing.
You know what you could get a new set of those with?